Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your blocked contacts on WhatsApp. This process works for both Android and iPhone devices. Over time, you may have blocked various people on WhatsApp and these contacts are added to your block list. Go ahead and open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner, then select Settings. From here, select Privacy, that is indicating blocked accounts and disappearing messages. And once you're here, you need to scroll all the way down and you'll get the option of Contact, that is between calls, and App Lock. Go ahead and select it. And here, if you go ahead and tap on this Blocked Accounts option, you'll get the list of people that you have blocked on WhatsApp. You can also go ahead and unblock them from that page. You can also choose to unblock them from that page. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.